Yes, you can design this motion graphic and animation in Canva. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. If you need this template, then please comment motion.
Here are the elements you can use. Search in the Canva library for an abstract gradient blue background. Select the photo based on your design preferences. Search for black texture and choose one that fits your design style. Add corners to the border to the black texture. Use a normal circle shape and apply a gradient color that matches the blue gradient background. For curve text, you need to write your text. And add effects. Then select shape curve. Increase the curve so it look like this. Search ground round icon. Oh, I am sorry. You can use the keyword team icon. Then add blue gradient as background image. Use black texture and arrange the alignment middle and center. Increase the size of the texture. Adjust gradient circle at same position and increase the size. Then add curve text in front of gradient circle. Add team icons in the gaps and adjust the position. Place the black circle in front of gradient circle and resize it. Then group all the elements. After this, add animation in the group elements. Add motion effects, rotate and adjust the speed. Increase the timeline by holding the end point of the video. Now add photos. You can add stroke in the picture so it looks attractive. Write text, name and position. Adjust its position behind the group elements. Then add animation in the text. I use shift key and drag mouse upwards and downwards to get the movement I desire. Select movement style steady, control the speed. Before adding animation, you need to adjust the photo position. Same way we need to add animation in photo. Match the speed of the text animation we do before. Next step is split the video when your first animation is ended. we need to add guides so we animate every photo in the same position. And then apply same process in other photos. Just make sure to delete the text and photos before adding new ones. Here I speed up the video because I apply the same sequence in every slide. I share Canva monetization way soon, where I share how I generate 5-figure income using Canva. If you want to learn, then subscribe this channel, like the video and share this channel with your friends. In the last slide, you need to group all the photos and adjust the position. Add animation according to your preferences and text. For making the every slide animation smoother, you just need to add match and move transition in every slide. Now Canva motion graphic and animation is ready.